Alright, hey guys, we're going to be doing some orienteering today, and to do that, first you need your compass, and okay, we're going to try to read the compass here, and it looks pretty crazy, but actually, focus, there we go. What you want to look at is the red. These are your degrees, and if you look right here, you see this line, and it comes down in the middle here. This is your line of sight. So say we're trying to find the degrees of the fire extinguisher all the way on the other wall. What I'm going to do is going to line my eye up through here to line the line up on the fire extinguisher. And the cool thing about this is that once I line it up, I can take this magnifying glass and just put it down to mark and hold the compass still so we can see that it is about 45, a little less degrees to the fire extinguisher. Okay, the next thing we're going to be doing is reading a map. So here we have a map of Hopeville. I don't think it's a real place, but this is a key. The key is simply symbols. It tells you what the symbols mean on the map. So if you're just looking at the map and you don't know what these are, come to the key and it tells you exactly what it is. Like P is parking. These little things are telephone, public telephone places. Okay. Next thing is the scale. This is 100-meter scale. We're going to use this to tell distance between one point and another point. So if there was a question asking what the distance was from Green Park to the toddler's nursery, we would just mark this off somehow using whatever you want, a piece of paper, a pencil, or your fingers, to mark how many meters that would be. And also, the thing about reading a map is you don't want to be given directions using left or right. We're going to use north, south, east, west, using your cardinal directions. Next thing we're going to be doing is finding our pace. And to do that, we've already marked off 100 feet. This blue line to the end of the red line. So if I were to be getting my pace, I would put my left foot in front of this line. And every time my right foot hits the ground, I'm going to count 1. So, for example, we would like 1, 2, 3. We're going to do that all the way down to the red line. But we're going to do that 5 times just to be able to get, I'm going to close this. Oop. Just so we can get a good average of what our paces would be. So for example, we've already done this, and I did it 5 times, 22, 22, 22, 21, 21. And we're going to add them all up to get a total of 108. And to find the average, we're going to divide by 5. So the average was 21.6. The next thing we have to do is find feet per pace, and to do that, we're going to divide the average, which is 21.6 by 100, and that got us 4.5. And to find the distance to paces, to convert it to distance to paces, from distance to paces, we take the distance, that was 100 feet, divided by feet per pace, which was 4.5. And then to find the distance, we do the same thing, but just reverse it. You do your pace, which was 4.5 times feet per pace is 4.5 times your pace to get the distance, which was 100.
Tells you how many steps. And that tells you how many steps.
And that will tell you how many steps. What's next? That's it? Okay, we're done.